Welcome back, and yes, I have the same shirt on from the end of the last video, but I promise you it's 2 weeks later and I have a washer. So welcome back to my channel. I have my cleaning supplies ready here because I am ashamed at what you guys are about to see. My nail desk is a literal disaster. I don't know if you can relate, but if I don't put something back right away as soon as I'm done using it, this is what ends up happening, and it's really been preventing me from filming videos. So I really need to get this cleaned up and organized. I also have a bunch of new nail supplies that I really wanted to open with you guys on camera, but I really need to organize all this mess first. So let's get into it. Okay, I don't even know where to position you guys so you can see what I'm doing. I wish I had like a ceiling mount. That'd be really cool actually. Okay, I think that's good. Also, I'm probably gonna be yapping and I have my little support drink here, a little kombucha thing. I don't even know. But first of all, I'm getting rid of all this trash. Like, there's just unnecessary receipts and papers and plastic from opening products and all this junk. But y'all, I literally can't believe it's already March. How do we feel about that? I feel like this year is flying by, and I don't know. I feel like you never really have enough time to do the things you say you want to do. Or maybe that's just me not managing my time correctly. But I just feel like time is flying by and it's like crazy. It's just insane. But also I'm very happy because if you know, you know, my husband's deployed and he's coming home very soon. So I'm so excited for that. I'm missing one little nail stand and I don't know where it's at. And I have to find it. I hate when they don't match. I'm low-key slowly ruining this desk with my polishes and stuff, and even like nail glue getting stuck to it. So one of the new things that I got is this little silicone mat that I'm gonna show you guys that's gonna help protect my desk. I should have got one a long time ago, but I'm gonna make sure this is super clean before I put that down. For any like stubborn polish marks, I'm just gonna use alcohol and it'll come off with alcohol. And that should work. Okay, so much better now, but I kind of just pushed some stuff to the side because I did get a new little storage container to kind of replace these two containers. So I got this little organizer from Home Goods, I believe, and it was about 30 bucks, which I don't know how I feel about that, but I do really like how it has these compartments, which are pretty good size for nail supplies, I think. And I already kind of went ahead and labeled them. So I have like files, buffers, nail art brushes, blah, blah, blah. And it also comes with these little spacers so you can actually space out each container if you need to. So yeah, this is what I'm going to keep on my desk as my new little nail organizer. So I actually got these 2 bags of nail supplies from TEMU, and I think I have like 80 something items for less than 100 bucks. So super affordable. And I'm not sure if you guys are familiar or have seen, I'm sure you guys have seen the pop-ups, but YouTube basically has this new shopping program where it's kind of like TikTok shop and you can shop products directly off of videos. So I'm sure you guys seen stuff pop up on my videos and other creators' videos, and it's super convenient. So if you are interested in any of the products that I showed today, they should pop up on screen. If not, I'll try to leave the direct link in the description box. So, and for full transparency, I will earn a commission if you do purchase using my links, and that's through YouTube. So like on any of my YouTube videos, if you click on the links that pop up on the video, I do earn a commission. Okay, I'm gonna try and organize everything by category before we actually get into it, because some of this stuff is in boxes and I don't even know what it is. So first thing I got were these nail tips, and these are soft gel nail tips, so they are soak offable. I don't even know if that's a word, but I always say that. Basically, you can soak them off to remove them, and I got 2 different shapes. This one's extra long. What is this one? Extra long almond. They do say extra long, but I honestly don't think they're actually that long. If I could open it, I'll show you guys. And I feel like I wouldn't have ordered extra long. I feel like I would have ordered medium, if anything. So I don't know if they actually sent me the right ones. But yeah, I wouldn't really consider these extra long at all. Like if we put that on my finger, it's not that long. Here's what the coffin one looks like, what it kind of looks like on my finger. Next, we're gonna get into all of the actual nail art. First thing we have here are these little bows, a bunch of different colors. Next, I have these little stickers here. I thought these would look really pretty on top of like a jade base. They're like pink and green with a little bit of gold. I'm excited to try this one out. Then this one honestly was a little deceiving. I didn't think it was actual stickers. I thought it was like a charm, but they're kind of like tropical hibiscus looking flowers. Next, I got a new set of rhinestones. The rhinestones also came with a little tweezer as well as a wax stick. And then we got these little dried flowers here. I specifically got these because I kind of want to recreate the first nail set that I ever did, which was with dried flowers. It was actually a polygel nail set. So next I have this little set of shimmer gel extension polishes. I believe this is almost like builder gel. I'm gonna open it and see what it actually looks like. Oh! Well, I just accidentally stuck my finger in there and you guys can see it's like a pretty thick polish. This is a really pretty shimmer purple. Okay, next I'm gonna get into, I don't know what this category is, but just supplies, like supporting characters of nails, you know? Like we have some files, we have some nail stands and blah, blah, blah. Let's get into it. Okay, first up, I got these little nail charm collector tray things. I don't even know what to call these, but these are really convenient and helpful to help you avoid wasting your charms and your rhinestones and your pearls, because you can easily collect them. Like you can just swipe them on the tray, and then this little spout here will help you put them back into the containers they belong in. Like this is such a tiny container, so it's super helpful to just have this little spout and pour everything back in. I got two new nail stands because I always feel like I'm always missing or losing these little pieces that come with it. So I have a pink and a purple one, and they are acrylic, so they have a little bit of weight to them, which will be helpful so they don't tip over and ruin your nail art or whatever. Next, I just got these pack of cuticle oil pens because I really want to make my own cuticle oil again. This is what they actually look like, and then this side is just the pen. This is the ones that just twist. I think this is another magnet. But I specifically got this one because it makes this almost like butterfly shape. You guys saw everybody was crazy over the magnetic heart nails, and maybe this could be like the new little trend. This is what the actual magnet looks like. There is this little circle side as well, and then a magnet on the bottom. But this one here, on the actual magnetic effect on the nails, it looked like a butterfly to me, and I feel like it'd be such a cute magnetic butterfly trend. Like for spring, it'd be super cute. Next, I just got a set of nail files. These are 100 180 grit files, and this came in a pack of 12. Wow, plastic on plastic on plastic. That's kind of insane. But basically, these are just extra brushes, so if I want to mix polishes or create my own colors, I could just use this little disposable one and problem solved. And I also got a new little nail plate, this little opal looking one. Okay, this is the last few things that we got, starting with a new soaking bowl. Honestly, I've been using my Tupperware, which is kind of gross, so I went ahead and got a new soaking bowl. I like this one. I used to have this, and to be honest, I thought this came in a pack of 2, but I only have 1 in my hand, so I don't know about that. But basically, you can put hot water on the bottom of this and then acetone on the top, and it really helped take off my Gel X super easily. Now, obviously, with press-on nails, you don't need the acetone. If you're doing Gel X, I highly recommend a soaking bowl like this. And then it came with a cuticle pusher and a little scraper to scrape off the gel. Next, I have a new LED hand light. Ooh, and it's already charged. So basically, this is literally perfect to cure like little charms. Came with the charger, and I don't know what this is for, but this little jelly thing also came with it. I don't really know what it's for, but it does fit perfectly in the end of the lamp. So maybe, are we supposed to use that? I don't know. And then I did get this little book slash album thing I could use for all of my extra nails or nails that I want to keep for like inspo or memories. Like I have a bunch of these little cases of nails sitting around, and instead of wasting these acrylic cases, which kind of cost a lot of money, I can put them in this little book and collect my old sets this way. I think this is a medium-sized book. I know they had small, large, and I believe extra large. And then lastly, I got the little silicone mat that I was telling you guys about earlier. It actually seems a lot thinner than I thought it would be. Oh, it'll be perfect though. Actually, I'm gonna put this down on my desk to protect it from my polishes, from acetone, from everything really. Okay, so that is pretty much it for everything that I got from TEMU. I'll try to link as much as I possibly can. It's a lot, so I don't know if I'll be able to do everything in this video, but if you are interested in something, I'll definitely send you the link or put it in the comments or description box or whatever. Also, if you do purchase from any of these links or any links in any of my videos, I just want to say that I truly appreciate it, and it really does help me out and help my channel grow, so thank you so much. Okay, I'm basically going to clear all this out again. Okay, it's a little bit later. My son is awake now, so you might hear him in the background, but I'm going to start putting everything into this new organizer. Starting with my nail files and buffers. So I think I'm gonna just, no, I'm gonna get rid of all the extra packaging as well. So we're just gonna put He's throwing all my books on the floor. Love that. I kind of think I underestimated how much space I had in all of these, because I thought I was going to be able to store my nail stands as well as tools like nail clippers and cuticle nippers in one drawer, but I think we're going to have to separate that. I'm going to put the tools down here for now. Nail clippers, cuticle nippers, a nail tip cutter, cuticle pushers. Also going to put my magnets in there. I'm actually going to rename some of these because I realized I don't have as much space as I thought I did. Like, for instance, this one was supposed to be, I don't know why this is not focusing, but oh, glue stickers and double-sided tape. But I feel like I have more important things to put in here, so I'm just going to write what it is on the back and then flip it. I think I'm going to do e-file and accessories, because I have like a lot of little stuff like this, like my sanding bands, and then all these little attachments, and I want them to be in one secure spot, so I'm going to change this one to e-file. Also, this one down here is only going to be nail tools. My son is being so chaotic right now. And then this one up here is just nail stands, so I'm just going to put that on the back. This is honestly so satisfying, just how nicely organized and how everything is labeled now versus these containers that I had going on. They had some separation, but it was just, everything was everywhere. Like, look at all these pearls and stuff. And I'm just getting rid of this because they're all a mess, and this is stuff that I haven't even touched. Like, I don't know when the last time is that I use those red pearls, so we're just gonna get rid of them. And then this one is pretty much empty as well. But I'm gonna keep my lamp on top of here. And voila, now I have to finish cleaning up the rest of this stuff. Once again, he keeps messing with his little hand. Oh, also, I forgot to show you guys two more things that I got from TEMU. So I did get these organizers as well. They're like little individual plastic containers, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them came in one pack. And I also got this little push down bottle that I'm gonna put my alcohol in it just so that it's easier to use it. It's 5:30 and the sun is out still shining, and I'm just like, every day is a day closer to spring, every day is a day closer to summer. What happened, Papa? And it makes me so happy that you can feel the seasonal depression just washing away. Okay, now that I actually have everything cleaned up, let's get into this little binder of nails that I want to do. I have a few nail sets here, so I'm gonna put them in a binder, and now every time I make a set, I'm going to add it to my little collection and keep it as like inspo or just as like a memory of a nail set I did. I don't know. Also, I forgot about this little silicone mat that I got. I forget what size I ordered this in. I mean, I guess I could measure it right now, but I think it's about, let's say 15 inches long, 15 or 16 at least. I actually do like how thin it is because it doesn't add like any bulk to the desk at all. I'm trying to smooth out all the air bubbles. Let's get into this binder. Ooh, I literally haven't used a binder since high school. I don't know, it's giving me nostalgia. Hopefully I can get back into filming my nail videos as soon as tomorrow, because I actually have a few things that I need to film for like brands and stuff, but also I just haven't had nails on for a long time. I took my nails off thinking I was gonna do my next set right away, and that did not happen, and I was kind of bummed that I could have had those Valentine's Day nails on for like the whole month. It's already March and I still don't even have a new set of nails on, so I kind of took those off for no reason. Cute. Oh, this is gonna be so cute. So let's see, which one should we do first? These are pretty much all a bunch of different practice nails that I've done. I actually think I have a video on this set on my channel. I'm gonna need to get my double-sided tape and a tweezer. Space, and to save space on the binder, I'm only gonna do a set of 5. I'm not gonna do a full set of each design because it's just too much. Well, this is how my book came out. It looks super cute already. I can't wait to fill up the rest of it. Like once all these pages are actually filled, it's gonna look like a piece of art and it's gonna be so cute. But that is gonna be the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me. I hope to see you guys very soon in my next video, which should be an actual nail video, so stay tuned for that. Actually, it might be my haircut video. So, and yeah, before you go, make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. It's free. Just click the button and subscribe and turn on the notifications if you want to get notified, and also like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.